something. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head.
Hi everyone, welcome back. So let's start our tutorial, and as usual I'm gonna use a primer before doing my makeup. So I'm gonna use this L'Oreal base or primer first. I did a review about this one. I'm gonna link in the card, description box down below, or you can go and see it in the playlist. I have a review for everything, so a playlist for my reviews, so you can go and check it out. And I'm gonna blend it all over my face until I feel it's completely like distributed all over my skin and it's ready for the next step. Next step is the foundation. Of course, it's my first time to use this foundation from Bourjois and using it with my favorite brush for foundation, having small dots all over my face. I began to blend the foundation to my face. It looks a little bit like weird when on camera, but in real life more nicer on skin. It's on camera looks a little bit like lighter than my skin tone and looks weird actually on the camera, but in real life it was a little bit darker on my skin tone. It was kind of a weird thing because it's lighter on the camera and darker in real life. So yeah, after I finished my makeup it looks pretty good actually, but actually it was my first try, so it was a little bit weird, but I liked it at the end. So I'm gonna blend it as you can see, and now I'm adding a little bit more because I needed more coverage on my cheeks and my forehead. So blend, 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 and make sure everything is blended and perfect. Now I forgot to add apply my lip balm, of course, to make everything soft before applying the lip cream. So using the concealer from Maybelline and this lovely brush from BH Cosmetics and applying my concealer underneath my eyes like this. I always love applying concealer like this. I know it's kind of old school, but I love doing that because it makes my under eye looks pop and nicer. So I'm gonna blend it with the brush and add a little bit more, of course, on my eyelid to work as a primer before my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna blend it with the brush until I feel it's perfect. As you can see the difference, it's so amazing, and I love this concealer because it have kind of a yellow tint in it. So amazing. Now setting everything in place with powder and this brush from BH Cosmetics, and with a tapping motion like this, just fix the concealer and foundation in place and make sure everything is beautiful and soft. Now it's time for the contour, using this contour from e.l.f. Cosmetics with this brush, and take the 3 colors together. I love mixing them together and begin to apply my contour. I'm not gonna apply it like a really light contour or a very heavy contour, just something in between so you can wear it during the day or during the night. So as you can see, I'm just build the color because it's amazing, and building these colors is so amazing. I'm so sad that it's not available anymore. As you can see, I'm just go to my jawline and connect everything with my neck to have this nice tone, and adding a little bit of the contour in the middle of my neck, make my face and neck look slimmer and nicer in photos. And as you can see, I blend everything and make sure it's even and perfect. Now taking this brush from BH Cosmetics, I love this brush for nose contour. It makes my life so much easier to contour my nose, and as you can see, it makes it like have this V shape. It's so amazing. So now applying my contour. Now blend my nose contour with this brush from Real Technique and make sure there is no harsh line and it looks pretty soft and even. Now it's time to do my eyebrows, so of course I'm gonna start with combing my eyebrows using this pomade or gel eyebrow gel and angle brush to just fill the gaps in my eyebrow and complete the tail of it. I'm not gonna do anything fancy on my eyebrow, just like draw the same shape of my eyebrow but fill the gaps and make a little bit of tail, because I'm not having a long tail. They're not even, of course. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And as you can see the difference. So now it's time to apply a little bit of eyebrow mascara just to make the hair color a little bit lighter. That's it, and fix everything in place. Now I'm gonna mix these two together from the contour palette and use this brush from Nail Technique and apply it to my crease area as a transition color. And I'm gonna build the color from outside in, so it will be a little bit darker on the outside, of course, and a little bit light on the inner part. So I'm building the color because it's a contour color. You can build the eyeshadow or the depth of the color. So as you can see, I'm doing it multiple times to build a color until I feel comfortable for the how it looks on my eye. Of course, you can do it a little bit darker or a little bit lighter, but for me it's perfect when I finish it, like having, as you can see, darker on the outside and a little bit lighter on the inside. And I'm gonna use this pencil brush and apply that same two colors to my lower lash line or lower eyelid and connect it to the outer part of my upper eyelid to make it look complete and perfect. Now using this lovely brush and take this light color from the palette and just clean the eyelid before I apply the highlight or the shimmer color I'm gonna apply next. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And now taking this champagne color here, it's a little bit shimmery, so I'm gonna apply it with the same brush that I used before and apply over this light eyeshadow. And I'm gonna take this small pencil brush, it's like a different one, and I'm gonna apply this like white shimmery color to my inner part of my eye or my tear dot to make it pop and to make my eyes a little bit wider. And of course, take the same brush and blend everything if there is any harsh lines and make it perfect. Now I'm gonna use this lovely palette. It's a gift for my baby. So I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow. It's so amazing, it's so dark, and use an angle brush and use it as an eyeliner. Of course you can use a gel eyeliner or pencil eyeliner, but for me it's a little bit easier to use eyeshadow because it's easy to correct, and at the same time if you are using a dark black eyeshadow, it can look like a black eyeliner, and at the same time you can smudge it very easily. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow as eyeliner, as you can see, drawing it like specifically as an eyeliner. And then I'm gonna take a smudge brush, the smudge brush. I'm gonna use it to smudge this line a little bit so it looks like having this kind of a smoky cat eye, like cat eyeliner. So it's really nice if you are a beginner or if you want to do something really quickly and you are afraid of making any mistakes. The black eyeshadow is so much easier to use than the gel one. And again, I'm gonna build the depths of the color because of course I smudged the color a little bit so it become a little bit lighter, and I wanted to make a little bit dark. So apply a second coat, and now I'm smudging it to make sure it looks smudgy and looks beautiful. And of course having a little bit of fallout, so clean everything. And without adding any kind of a black eyeshadow to the brush, just take the left and just draw a little bit line like here to like line my eyes. And now it's time for mascara. I'm gonna use this lovely mascara from Catrice and add 2 coats from it over my eye on the top and on top lashes and bottom lashes as well.
Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again.
And now I'm gonna apply the 3rd coat from this Bourjois mascara, but I'm gonna concentrate on the outer part of my lashes only to make it like winged, like a cat eye, to make the like outer part of my lashes more longer, so it looks like having false lashes on. And now I'm gonna use these 2 lovely blushes from NYX and mix them together as usual. I'm gonna use the dark one first and then the lighter one, and of course with my favorite Real Technique blush to do my blush. Did I say it right? Now applying the darker color first, and now applying the lighter one to make everything pop and sweet. I'm now taking the butter brush and buff everything together to make have this filter effect and make everything soft and beautiful. Time for highlight. I'm gonna use this lovely brush with the highlight. I love this brush with the highlighter. It makes it pop. As you can see in the camera. In real life, it's amazing. I love it. As you can see, so amazing. And I'm gonna use this like a smaller version of it to apply the highlight to my nose, the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, like under my eyebrows, and of course my inner tear dot if you want to add more depth to it, and of course my cupid bows.
Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what's
Now everything is perfect. Time for the lips. I'm gonna use this lovely color from NYX. It's amazing. It's almost gone. It's almost empty, so it's a little bit like having a lighter color. So I'm gonna build the color on because I love this color and it looks so amazing after I finish it. It's not strong red, but at the same time looks like a cherry red. It's amazing. So as you can see, building the color, and take your time when you apply red or strong colors because it will take way more time if you did any mistake and you need to correct them. So it will take a lot of time to correct your mistakes. So take your time applying strong colors, don't rush, and enjoy the process. And as you can see, after I applied multiple coats because it's almost gone, it gave me the same or the beautiful color of the lip cream, and it's amazing. And you can go like this. It's done if you want your lips matte and beautiful. So yeah, this is the makeup, but I'm gonna add a little bit of a small touch at the end. And of course, if you want to fix everything in place for a longer wearing, if you're gonna stay out all day, or you want to just have a nice evening, you can add a little bit of Fix a Plus or fixing spray and let it dry and enjoy your makeup. And this is the makeup. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of a small touch to change everything. And now after I finished my hair and complete everything, I just wanted to add a little bit of extra look. So I'm gonna apply a clear lip gloss all over my lips to make the look pop. Of course, like a glossy lip is a trend right now, so I just wanted to make like you can choose from matte color or matte lips or glossy lips. So I applied gloss over a matte lip color, so you can apply this to add more depth to your look and your lips and look glossy and beautiful. So this is the tutorial. I really hope you like it, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe